Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. How to add Discord link to Roblox profile. So first of all, I will be on the Roblox profile and make sure you will have logged in. We will move in the top right corner of gear icon and just tap for settings. So after settings, we will just find the links to connection. So if I just scroll down, so right over here, they are the social networks: Facebook, X, Twitter, YouTube, Twitch, and Guild. But there is no for Discord link. So how it's possible to launch it? So we will move in the Google Chrome and just type for this Row Pro. After Row Pro, this is the extension enhance your Roblox experience for the Google Chrome web. So I want to just tab on it and I want to just add to my Chrome. So you will be just confirmation for the add extension to your Chrome. So right now we will move in the Roblox profile, and as you can see there's an option of verify Row Pro user. So I want to just tab on it. So it will says that verify your Roblox account in a game. So just tap. After, you will not tap on this to get code for Roblox user verification. You will just have to click on this arrow and it will be just go for the next window. And from so right now you will just have to download the Roblox installer. I want to just tap on the top right, and finally I will just have to install on my device. So after device we will just wait for the moment. So finally I will just download my Roblox app on my desktop. So simply just tap for it for play for the Pro Pro user verification. So just wait and just tap on it for the generate verification code. Simple is that. So finally just copy that code and go back on the back window, just cross it and we will go back again, and I want to just paste it here. So as you can see, now we will able to link Discord. So now we will move in the top right corner is a Row Pro. So I want to just tap on it and it will be open the next window, and right now this is the Discord link to profile. So you will just have to paste your Discord link and just tap to save, and it will be just add simply. So that's it. Thank you.